Now, when people think about Indian community in the US, they often picture software engineers, doctors, entrepreneurs, or students. But no, there is another community that quietly keeps America's economy move every single day: the trucking community. Thousands of Indian origin drivers, particularly from Punjab and Haryana, they have spent years transporting goods across America. From food supplies and medicine to electronics and household products, they play a very important role in keeping supply chain running. But now the entire industry is facing one of the biggest challenges in recent years. The Trump administration has launched a major enforcement drive targeting commercial trucking regulations. Federal authorities have cancelled thousands of commercial driving licenses held by immigrant drivers, and they have also taken action against thousands of driving schools that were accused of violating federal standards. Naturally, this announcement has created a lot of concern across the trucking community. Well, many drivers, they're asking the same question again and again: who is actually affected? Here the answer depends on an individual's immigration status and licensing record. According to the enforcement measures, authorities are placing greater emphasis on verifying employment authorization, commercial licensing requirement, and compliance with federal transportation rules. States are also facing increased pressure to ensure that commercial driving records remain fully updated and compliant with federal standards. One of the biggest areas of enforcement involves English language proficiency. Well, federal transportation rules already require commercial drivers to read the road signs, communicate with law enforcement officers, and understand official instructions in English. The latest crackdown places much greater attention on enforcing these existing requirements during inspections. And yes, there is another important issue. Some commercial licenses issued to temporary workers remained active even after changes in immigration or employment status. Federal regulators are now conducting broader audits to identify licenses that may no longer meet the updated eligibility requirements. And at the very same time, the federal government has announced initiative to encourage more military veterans to enter the trucking industry just in order to help address driver shortage created by these enforcement action. So you know what this all means for the Indian origin truck drivers? If you are a US citizen or a green card holder with a valid documentation, this announcement, it does not automatically affect your ability to continue driving commercially. However, experts recommend ensuring that all the records with your State Department of Motor Vehicle remain accurate and up to date. Well, for drivers working under temporary immigration status, message is even more important. Review your immigration document. Ensure your commercial license information matches your current legal status. Keep your employment records updated and always remain fully prepared for roadside inspection and compliance check. This story is not about trucking. It reflects a broader trend that is becoming increasingly visible across different sectors in the US. Regulators are placing much greater emphasis on documentation, compliance, and verification. Whether you are a student, whether you are a tech professional, business owner, or commercial driver, the expectation is becoming the same.